This is my very first half square triangle. For those of you who don't know, half square triangle is two, that's the half, it's square, and they're triangles. Half square triangle, also known as HSTs. In this video, I hope to show you how I can make multiple of these with only 4 stitches. So let's hopefully it turns out good. Like I said, if you're new here, I'm a beginner quilter and I'm learning as I go, and I want you to follow along in the journey. I'm going to mess up, so if you're a quilter, please, I'm going to mess up. That's all I gotta say. All right, I'm going to start with, these are 10 inches, and from what I've seen on other people's channels, none of this is mine. I've learned as I go. A 10-inch square will give you about 8 4.5 triangles. So I have 2 pieces of fabric here. Both of them are cut at 10 by 10, and what I'm going to do now, if this works, sort of like a magic trick. Let's see if this will work. We are going to, this is a washable fabric marker, by the way. I'm going to draw from one end to the other end this way. And we're going to draw from this end, oops, to this end. So there we have two lines on our 10 by 10. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sew 1/4 inch line on this side all the way down, 1/4 inch on that side, and we'll do the same thing coming back this way. So let me take it over here to the sewing machine, do that, and we will be right back. All right. You're making me nervous. I'm afraid I'm going to mess up here, but let's give her a whirl. Let's give her a whirl. Get it on the right side. It don't look too bad for my first time. Not my first time, but first time video and somebody watching me do this. Okay, here we go. It's okay. I think the more people that do this all the time know that once you get the hang of this, you'll just get better as time goes on. I need to put in the work. I have not put in the work yet, so I'm not that great at it yet. I hope to get better. I hope this is entertaining for you. At least you get a good laugh. You know, the one thing I'll say about this Juki, it is very quiet. Woo. All right. Let's go back here and take a look and see how we did. Okay, we're back. This is not perfect. I'm still learning. I've got a whole bunch of these squares that I plan on practicing on. That's the plan. So what we need to do now is right in the center here, right in the center mark here, we need to line up our edge right here and right in the center. And we're going to draw a line. Well, actually, we can go ahead and cut this. We're going to go ahead and cut it this way. Now we're going to turn it and put it on the line right here. Just get it straightened up right there. And we're going to cut it right there. Then we want to cut right on the line this way. I talk to myself. And we're going to go this way. Oops. Didn't matter if it shifted as long as we're on the line. All right. So what you have now is you have 8 triangles. And I'll just press these open and then clean them up. But that's the way that I've learned to make half square triangles really fast and fairly easy. And like I said, I think you could go, I've seen some websites say that they can go 9 3/4 inches, but I like 10 because it's an even number and it gives me a little bit of flexibility if I, not if I mess up, when I mess up. So I don't know what else to say except for I wanted to thank all of you that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. I didn't think I would get 2 people, and one of them was my grandson, that would watch. Hi Jaden, thanks for watching. But I really appreciate all your comments. I try to answer every one of them. It was really, I spent a lot of time this weekend answering comments, and I don't mind it. I like talking to you. I mean, actually, I really enjoying it. And I'm finding people all over the world, and it just amazes me. I remember when I was a kid, you know, you used to have to, you could send away for a pen pal overseas. Well, now I can just talk to you right now and talk to people all over the world. It's amazing. So thank you for subscribing. I hope that I can bring some value or entertainment at least to your life. And please keep watching. And until then, remember to keep making memories because that's what's most important. And I will see you later. Bye.